think the Bubby Boys printing up a Christmas ornament today on the Bambu Lab A1. We'll see how it comes out.
Alright, so welcome to another episode of our 3D printing segment on the Bubby Boys. So, since it's around Christmas season, we've decided to start making Christmas 3D prints. So what I'm 3D printing today is an articulated Christmas ornament, so you can like set it up on top of the shelf, and then we'll just decorate it for Christmas time. You know what I'm saying? So, the filament we're using is Sunlu 2.0 PLA Plus, and we're printing it on our Bambu Lab A1. So the colors we're doing this model in is green and red, since we've already made a red and green one. And we'll show both of them when this is finished printing.
Alright, so where'd you get the model that we're printing?
I got it off of the Bambu Handy app, which I usually use when I'm going for 3D print.
Okay.
It's easy to like just click print on my printer, and it will just send it to my printer. I can just print.
Alright, cool. And you get access to that when you got the printer, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, sweet. Alright, so we're working here. The machine is working away. This is going to be a stand-up guy. I think we'll make some Christmas ornaments and all kind of stuff. We'll keep you guys in tune with all our prints.
Alright, so we'll come back when this one is done printing to show you guys the final results.
Alright, cool.
So
Bambu Lab is in beast mode, cranking it out. Let's get festive for Christmas. Let's get festive.
So our ornaments have finally finished.
Yes, sir. They are done. Wow, so they got little jiggly legs and everything.
Yeah, so like you can pose them up on like the end of the shelf like that.
Oh, okay. Have a holly jolly Christmas.
Mm-hmm.
I like those. Alright, very simple holiday spirited design. We'll probably be doing some more holiday stuff. That was a simple print, right? Super easy?
Really simple.
Alright, how long it take?
Like 50 minutes, 59 minutes.
Alright, so we got 2 of those done within an hour. Alright, Bambu Lab is a beast. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Let us know what you think about the ornaments. They came out good. I'm pleased with them. Aiden's pleased with them. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bubby Boys TV.